How's everyone doing, guys? Happy Thursday. I almost said happy Monday. How you guys doing? Ooh, CRM 235. I'm gonna take some profits on the weeklies. Remember I swing weeklies last week? Whoa. I'm up 96% on those ones. Yeah. Took some profits there. No way, no, those are for next week's. Ooh. Well, I took some profits there. If can hold 236, I think I'm gonna swing that one for next week. Okay. I wanna see SPY filling the gap. I wanna see Nvidia filling the gap also. Let's see. 443, I want to see Microsoft holding that. Beautiful bounce out of the 449 level on Meta. What else? AMD 159 is looking good. Just look at the daily. Well, it's too early. I'll talk about that later. Okay, so the Q filled the gap. Let's see if he can hold here. And SPY, let's go a little bit lower, but sometimes the gap doesn't get filled entirely. So if SPY can hold here and break the VWAP, I'm gonna go long. If not, I'm gonna wait for the entire gap fill. What's the next level on CRM? You guys have all the levels on CRM on my Discord. The levels on CRM haven't changed. I've been posting CRM for like 2 weeks. Same levels. Levels have not changed. Are saying the same levels. So weird having a holiday in the middle of the week. I feel like today is Monday. So weird. I like this SPY, how it's looking so far. If it can break the VWAP, I'm gonna go long. So the entire gap, it's still here. So it was very close to filling the gap. The Q, it can be pretty much the same. If breaks the VWAP, we can go long also. The thing is that the Q still have all-time high above. But the SPY has pretty much no resistance, then only pre-market high. So we have these little resistance here. Okay, I like that. Do we have any data coming up right now? let's see if this candle is gonna hold the VWAP, if it's gonna close like that, holding the VWAP. Almost 100% up on CRM now. Okay, I like that. I'm watching Meta 500 498. Dang it! Okay, looks like I missed my entry here. Microsoft 443, very, very important level there. Now I need a little pullback here to the VWAP. To 549.50. Or we can go long on the Q. I'm gonna go long on the Q. Okay, like that. I want to see the Q holding the VWAP here. Nvidia so far looking pretty strong. Needs to hold 141 as support, a little bit above 141. We want to see a key holding here. Okay, Apple is holding so far. Nvidia is holding so far. Microsoft is looking a little bit weak. I want to see Microsoft breaking the VWAP also, and Meta is trying to hold the VWAP. AMD looking crazy strong. Okay, we're looking pretty good so far. You guys on anything? Or waiting for something? We have data coming up today. I know we have data at 8:30. So. Today's Thursday. Nothing. And we have tomorrow. Okay. in Nvidia, I would have been long on Nvidia unless it breaks pre-market. Like, I will wait for Nvidia to either break pre-market high or fill the gap below. Right here, what it is right now, is very risky. It's in the middle of nowhere. I don't like how the Q is so weak compared to SPY. SPY was the trade. It just like this move here, it was too fast, at least for me. But as long as the Q keeps holding above the VWAP, I'm bullish. And I want to see CRM holding to 36 today. Oh, Meta is looking pretty good also. That 500 bounce was very, very clean. 499, 500. So we need Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia to hold. All three are not looking good. Come on, Nvidia, move. Apple's falling wedge looks like it's gonna break out. The falling wedge that I talked about on Tuesday looks like it's gonna work out. I'm sorry, rising wedge, not falling wedge, rising wedge. Which is bearish setup. I don't like how the Q is looking right now. Yeah, it's gonna... I got out. I don't like that. So the Q rejected previous all-time high. I don't know if I should like count pre-market high as a new all-time high or only during the market hours, like open market, because if like the Q is rejecting Monday high, which is for me is all-time high, but if we see pre-market, we have a new all-time high. So I don't know which one is really all-time high. Yeah, I don't count the pre-market levels as a new like highs, but I don't know. So far, what I really like is CRM and Meta. but I don't like how the Q is looking. That's because Apple and Microsoft are weak. You know what I really want to see? I want to see Nvidia filling the gap. If Nvidia fills the gap, I'm gonna go long. Gonna buy calls on Nvidia for next week if it fills the gap. Yeah, that's true. That's true. If I take pre-market levels as gaps, I shouldn't take them as a all-time high. It depends what downtrend you're looking. Are you looking at a downtrend intraday or on the bigger time frames like daily and weekly? Intraday it's bullish. Daily is bullish also. Weekly, it's bearish. Nvidia is really fighting here, but it's not looking strong at all. We can see how it keeps weakening at the top. Well, this candle looks very strong on Nvidia, so Meta crazy strong right now. Same thing with AMD. What is Tesla doing? Nothing. Tesla is a mess. So what was this? Why we have this crazy strong candlestick here? Why? What was the reason? Go lower here because it looks like we're using this level. So down here. And the Q rejecting all-time high. Like fill the gap, bounce, and then looks like it wants to go back down. Very choppy so far. Nvidia's doing nothing. Apple looks weak, but it's holding. Microsoft holding 442. The Q so far is a mess. SPY, if it loses the VWAP, it's gonna be a mess also. CRM's looking pretty strong. Looking beautiful, my baby. I have a lot of CRMs on the swim. I have a lot of CRM contracts for next month. and for the end of this month. I got CRM on Robinhood, and those are the only contracts I have. And the account is 107% up. The entire account only with CRM. If I have like a longer time swing, I take them with Robinhood because it's free and pretty easy to use. Morning. Okay. I like Microsoft. It can really hold 442, 443. I like that one for a long play. Apple is super weak. It's about to lose today's low. I think Apple needs to go back to 200. Could even retest 197, but 197 I'm asking for too much. The first one that I see is 207.50 and then 200. Yuck. Yike. Yike. Nvidia is a mess. Like I said, I think Nvidia needs to fill the gap that it has from not yesterday, Tuesday close till today open. Today is open. So I will say the gap is still 136, around there. CRM is so weird. So the market's been up like non-stop for 2 weeks and or 10 days or whatever, and CRM was selling off a lot. And now the market is going lower today and we have CRM going higher. Nvidia is fighting a lot. Keeps fighting the VWAP. Went under and above. CRM contracts move so good. if you can catch a CRM move, you can make so much money. Like, contracts go up a lot. I like this little flag here on SPY, but man, I don't like how Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft are looking. I want to see Microsoft holding strong and holding the VWAP. Okay, morning. Okay, this is an important level here on the queue, but if every single tech stock is weak, there's no reason to go long here. The only one that I see strong today are AMD and CRM. It's too late to enter there. CRM is too late. You guys need to buy when the thing is low if you want to buy calls, not at the top. It's too late. Unless the thing is like CRM for me. Yes, I took a trade Tuesday for next week. I see, like, for me, CRM is a very kind of like a month out, maybe 2 month out trade, because I can see CRM filling the gap, but it's gonna take time. So what I'm doing is I've been buying CRM contracts for end of July, and also bought the ones that I bought for on Tuesday for next week. It's pretty much so I can have a little gains out of the small CRM move, so I can pretty much have like a little like caution if my long-term swings go red. So like it depends how you want to trade that. For me, CRM, like I said, is a very long-term swing, not very like a month out or maybe 2 month out swing. But I think 240 is a very important level. So if you see the CRM holding 240, that could be another entry, but I would not expect too much the rest of the week. So if you want to play CRM, for me, to either wait for another pullback to the VWAP and you buy like a end of July contract, if you want to play part of the gap, or just wait for next week until breaks 240 and then give you a retest and then you enter there. What was that? Oh, that's Nvidia. Yeah, the queue is weak because we have pretty much the big ones all red, or at least very weak. Right now, Nvidia, it looks like it wants to fill the gap. And that's what I want to see today. I want to see Nvidia filling the gap and then holding 136. I don't feel like shorting anything. I feel more like waiting. Well, if you're a scalper, that's fine. But if you want bigger move, just wait until it pulls back and give you some bounce on supports, because the market is bullish. AMD rejecting 164. That's a strong resistance. AMD has a lot of resistance between 162 and 166. Look at that. That was a beautiful rejection of all-time high on the Q. My bad. I should have just taken pride on this little bounce here and then get out. Let's see if this time SPY is gonna fill the entire gap and hold, because the SPY definitely looks stronger than the Q, but it's still looking bearish. Morning. Okay. Really important level here on SPY. That's Tuesday high and Monday high also. I don't know, I don't use NQ. I don't use futures charts. Yeah, definitely Nvidia looks like it wants to fill the gap. I'm gonna wait for that. Okay, so let's watch. The next level to watch is these 484. If not, this wick here to say low on the Q. Yeah, I like this. Hold there on SPY. I'm gonna play a bounce there. Now, Nvidia still needs a little bit more down. Still, the gap is not filled yet. Needs a little bit more down. This is a little bit risky because yes, I really like this level. Yes, SPY's been very bullish, so these are very clean break and retest, but so far I have nothing that says that the SPY is gonna be bullish. I just really like this level here, so I'm looking for a hold of this, maybe a retest of today's high or pre-market high. We'll see. Thank you. Let's see if this level's gonna work out. Hola. Apple is dying. Apple looking bad. Microsoft still keeps holding. Nvidia pretty weak, definitely going for the gap. Let's see how Nvidia is gonna react to 136. You make a lot of money? That's awesome, congrats. So far I'm red today with futures. I'm up a lot with options. Let's see if we can turn around this. He's dead. Okay, so we have Tuesday low here. Nvidia is about to fill the gap, and it's a little bit more down. I'm waiting to see how Nvidia is gonna react to the gap fill. That's what I'm waiting. Okay, 136 on Nvidia. Let's see if it's gonna hold there. It can go a little bit lower. Spice is still holding this little level. Can go a little bit lower here. Let's see. Microsoft is still holding. It's not moving much. Meta, it's kind of looking weak, but it's holding pretty much the same levels. Apple and Nvidia are the ones that look pretty weak. CRM still looking pretty bullish. Okay guys, got pretty much filled on Nvidia. Let's see if it's gonna bounce here. If you wanna try Nvidia, that's your entry. Okay, I got 137 Nvidia for next week and for this week. My stop loss is gonna be 135.50. Okay. So we have the Q holding Tuesday low, we have SPY holding the gap, we have Nvidia holding 136, Apple is not looking good, and Microsoft, we need Microsoft to keep holding here. Hopefully breaking the V1 going higher. Meta still holding 499. Look at that bounce on Nvidia. That was perfect, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm just trusting my plan. I post this trade on my Discord pre-market. What was the plan? The plan was waiting for a gap fill and then play loans here. Same thing with Nvidia. Trading when you have a clear trend is very easy. We just gotta be patient. And if it doesn't work out, you know what's your stop loss and you get out of that trade, and that's it. That's it. So for me, this trade is still pretty bullish as long as SPY keeps holding this level here, this little support here. So far, I have no reason to get out of this trade. There's no... How do you manage a trailing drawdown? I have a 6K drawdown. That's all I need to know. How do you manage that? You just don't go with super high size. That's it. Trailing drawdown is for you guys to not YOLO. Keeps you on your toes. So these are 250K accounts, so the trailing drawdown is around 6K, so not getting even near 6K. No reason to do that. So especially with the new Apex promotion, you have everything, I think it's 80% off, but from the 150 account to 300K account, it's only $40 the evals, and you have 1.5 months to pass those evals, and then $85 the PA fees. Right now the 150 account is the best deal for you guys to get. The 150, not the 250. Right now is the 150, because to pass the 150 you only need like 9K in profit. The 250 you need like 15K, and they're both the same price. $40 the evals and $85 the PAs. I'm gonna log a bunch of profits near the VWAP, and then I'm gonna leave some runners and see if we have a retest of morning high or pre-market high. playlist. Let's check. Creators Mix on Spotify. I want to see Apple holding here. This is 211 was an important level last week. So if Apple can hold here, that will help SPY holding. Come on, Microsoft, do something. We need you. Yeah, I used Webull years ago. I didn't like the feels on Webull. So I stopped using it. Okay. Nvidia looking beautiful. We need a VWAP break on Nvidia so it can really boom boom. Okay. I'm selling a little bit here. Holding 3. Looking awesome. That was a beautiful, beautiful, perfect trade. Just gotta be patient. Okay, so we have Apple holding that level that I talk about. It's all around 211, 212. Microsoft is getting ready. It looks like it wants to boom boom. We have Nvidia, beautiful gap close reversal there. Same thing with with SPY. Exactly, same thing with SPY. Now I want to see SPY breaking the VWAP. I want to see Nvidia breaking the VWAP. I want to see Apple holding 211, 212, and Microsoft. I want to see it breaking the VWAP also. Micro is looking super bullish right now. So I didn't want to trade anything else, but Microsoft is looking too good. to not take it. So I'm gonna do 445 weekly. My stop loss is today's low. And yep. I think it's better to wait a little bit until Microsoft really break the VWAP and then enter in there. Will be a little bit safer, but I'm gonna trust my levels. And I like what I'm seeing on Microsoft. And I also think it's better to take for next week. Yeah, better for if you guys can take Microsoft next week. But my idea is to just look for a bounce here, maybe a retest of morning high, and then get out. I don't like this candle here. We'll see. We need Apple to hold. What a move on AMD. Like I said, as long as the SPY keeps holding this level, it's bullish. Another one that I really like is Meta. I took 445 for next week on Meta. I think Meta can really boom the next few days. Maybe not this week, but I'm expecting way more from Meta. Stop loss is gonna be, let's see, under 499. No, I'm sorry. What is that? 445. What? 500 on Meta. 500. I'm like 300 up only on futures today. Not bad. With 20 contracts, 300 multiplied by 20, it's 6K. I think we can have a little bit more if SPY really breaks the view up here. Let's see. And I'm not keeping this runner because I want more. I'm keeping this runner because the trade is still very valid. Near 240, I'm gonna take more profits on CRM. When I say taking more profits, I'm talking about the next week's contracts. I'm holding full position on CRM's contracts for end of the month and for end of July. See you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, let's see. We're gonna have some consolidation here. Maybe boom. How you guys doing so far? You guys green today? Red? Waiting? Okay. Let's see CRM. Damn, that's a beautiful 240 breakout. Whoa. Whoa. Green over trading? That is not bueno. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, Microsoft, keep going. Apple is dead. Next level that I see on Apple is 207, 207.40. $16K today, that's awesome, congrats, that's awesome. No idea what Apex is not a broker, so whatever gold symbol is the same on every single broker. Come on, Nvidia looks like it wants to break out also. Just Apple is dragging SPY down. Come on, Nvidia, do it. Come on, Nvidia, do it. Come on, Microsoft. That's an insane CRM daily candle. Come on, SPY. Okay, so Apple next is to around 207, 207.40, 207.50. That's the next support on Apple. If I see a SPY holding here again, I'm gonna add one more. to add one more. I want to see a little bit more consolidation here, more bullish candles. If I see that, yeah, I'm going long here. This 30-minute on the queue is looking ugly. This is all Apple. Oh, Jalen speaking? No. Is she gonna mess up my trade? Or it's gonna hold me? That's funny. That's funny, George. I think I missed my ad. Let's see. Damn, AMD 166. That's a pretty important level on AMD. Okay, I like that bounce. Okay. Come on, go boom boom. Nvidia is looking pretty good. Fighting there. Looks like it's consolidating near the VWAP. I want to see her breaking it. Dr. Chapetin. Okay, I like this hold. I really like how SPY is holding here. I think we need Apple to kinda not keep dying so SPY can boom boom, or we need Microsoft to boom boom here. Microsoft is holding support, is holding a very key level, but it's doing nothing. But I love when we see a stock like Microsoft. That you have. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. So this is straight out of my Discord pre-market plan, same as this SPY trade and Nvidia. So what do we have Microsoft doing here? It's holding previous resistance, acting as support, and I love when I see a stock that is consolidating at support. So even if this trade fails, I still love it because we have a very clean support here, previous resistance, acting as support. We have a break, retest, and then what's my risk to reward here? So if I enter here, my stop loss should be today's low, and my reward should be at least today's high. That will be the first one. And then for me, I think Microsoft can go higher and retest all-time high. So again, your stop loss, morning low, most likely My first PT will be today's high, and then we have, I will go a little bit here. This is one resistance here. Let's see what's pre-market high today. Pre-market high is a little bit messy, it will be around here, but let's just use daily time frame, the daily time frame, because I like more using daily levels. So we have first one around here, that's Tuesday low. Then we have this one here, that's Monday close, and then we have all-time high. So Microsoft, I think it's even better if we can buy for next week or 2 weeks out, because it could definitely just stay here and do nothing and maybe consolidate here or just bounce around here the entire week. But I think as long as I keep holding this low, I think it can boom boom. If loses this low, my trade is not longer valid, and then I'll just get out, and that's it. So yeah, that's my whole explanation for a Microsoft play. And Meta looks pretty much the same. I also explained what's my game for Meta trade on my pre-market watch list on my Discord. Pretty much the same thing as Microsoft. I want to see Meta holding 499. It's kind of looking like it's holding a bull flag on the daily. And Meta had a huge consolidation for weeks last month. So I'm expecting much more from Meta. I got Microsoft and Meta this week, and I also got 2 weeks out on both. Because I think both charts have a lot of it could have a very big move the next few days. Again, if my analysis is correct. If not, I just wait for my stop loss and get out of the trade, and that's it. Up to the next one. Okay, SPY keeps holding, which is bullish. No reason for me to get out so far, to get out of this trade. Look at the Q can go back above the VWAP, I think it's pretty bullish. But I like more SPY. I think it looks cleaner. Yeah, it's pretty slow, but I like consolidation means a bigger move is gonna come up. And I love buying stocks at consolidation levels, because you get not only you most likely gonna catch a big move, you also catch slow premium on contracts. I'm gonna buy one loan here on NQ because I don't want to see this red. And I like how it's breaking the view up here. Let's see if it's gonna bite me in the ass or not. Oh, the VWAP is the purple line. The pink one is the 90 MA. Nvidia is looking ready to boom boom. Beautiful, beautiful consolidation. Moving up. Looking great. So far, we're looking good. We're being patient, we're trusting our levels, and trusting the trend. And I think especially for how I trade, I need more patience than any other type of trade because the way that I trade is I like to buy a very strong support so I can catch big moves. I don't really like scalping. I like buying the bottom and then or the top and then catching the entire, or at least big part of the move. Also, I'm not expecting much for this week because it's a short week and it's right in the middle. I don't like when it's right in the middle. I don't care if we have holidays on Friday or Monday, but when it's right in the middle, it's kind of like caught my groove. I don't know. Because when I enter here, I said that I'm trusting the level. I'm not looking at the candlestick. I said it was risky because I said at that time I had nothing that it was bullish. I was just entering because I trust the level. We don't need to overanalyze this. So what do we have here on the daily? We have a very, very clean uptrend, right? How do we trade when we have an uptrend? We just wait for pullbacks at a strong support and then we go long. And if you guys see, I'm gonna show you what I post on my pre-market plan on my Discord. Pretty simple. Waiting for the pullback, gut feel, and then I just go long. If it doesn't work, doesn't work, and I get out. And I also said it here when I was entering this trade here. I said, let's see if SPY, before I entered the trade, right? I said, let's see if SPY is gonna really fill the gap. And then when I enter the trade, I say, this is not like I'm just trying to catch a bounce here because looks like a very clean break and retest. That was my play. That was my plan pre-market, and that's it. That's it. I was not looking. I also said I had nothing here that it says that is bullish, but I'm trusting my level. That's it. Yeah, exactly. Pretty much you trade I trade, you guys have seen me, I've been doing this for it's now over a year, like it's a year and a half. And I trade pretty much the same thing over and over and over again. I just go with the trend and trust my levels. That's it. And with futures, like if you guys see me, really see how I've been trading the past few days. With futures, I've been trading up and down. Don't really matter much. But I've been trading with only 2, sometimes 3, but max 3 contracts, right? If I was catching the top of the pre-market, if I was shorting with futures. But how many contracts I've been playing today? I played, I think the first one with 4 or 5, and then this trade I got 6. Why? Because I waited for the retest with previous resistance, acted as support, and I'm going heavier with this trade because I'm going with the trend. What I've been trading with options. You guys have not seen me trading options the past, I don't know, like put contracts the past, I don't know, month. I keep trading calls. Why? Because the market it's on an uptrend. So what I've been doing, I just wait for pullbacks at strong support and I just go long. And I keep doing that same thing over and over and over and over again. And yes, it can be a little scary. It is scary because the market is high. It's so much high that we don't know when one day just gonna pull back and just take our money out of nowhere. But as long as the market keeps making higher highs and higher lows, there's no reason to go against the market, right? So we keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over again until it doesn't work. And that's it. We need to understand how the market is moving. The market's moving on an uptrend. So I want to play up move. I want to go long. If the market is choppy, I go in and out. I can go up, short or long, doesn't matter, in and out fast. If the market is bearish, I wait for bounces, add resistance, and I play puts. That's how you play the market. If you're a scalper, you can do anything. But if you want to catch big move, you gotta go with the trend. What's the trend? Bullish. Uber, let's see. Uber looks very, very good if can keep holding 70. So Uber, it's consolidating at 70. I don't know why I had a alert at 70. So what's Uber doing? Pretty much the same thing that I talked like few seconds ago. You have 70 was resistance, gap above, fill the gap. What is doing right now? It's consolidating at support, so most likely it's gonna keep going higher. That's it. So if you want to trade Uber, you know what you gotta do. You know what's the level, what's your stop loss, this little wick here. If you don't have a daily candle closing under this wick, it's still pretty bullish. So you just gotta trust the level. I do think it looks pretty bullish. As long as it keeps holding this 70 level. And yeah, pretty clean. It's very, very clean chart. So you can see this is resistance here. You have resistance here, 70 support. And yeah, very, very clean chart. I think if you read right here, you have the answer. 20 accounts. Also, you can see it at the top, right here. Yeah, of course. You gotta pass all 20s. And right now, Expand the Q looking pretty much the same. They both need to hold the VWAP so we can keep going higher. I don't like this 30-minute candle on Nvidia. I don't like that reaction there. We'll see. Yeah, I want to see Nvidia holding the VWAP, but so far it's rejecting. CRM, baby, keeps going. Keeps going. AMD 166 is a very important level that needs to break. Come on, just move. I'm hungry. So, and I want to see the Q holding this level here. We want to see a SPY holding the VWAP. I want to see Nvidia holding the VWAP. Needs to hold 139. $241. It's an important level on CRM. We want to see it breaking that, or at least holding there. If not, it's gonna pull back to the VWAP. Come on, Microsoft, move. Do something. CRM is up almost 44% today. That's a huge move. Come on, hold it there. Almost 12 more minutes to go to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close, but I don't want to see Nvidia 30-minute candle closing like that. Want to see it closing green, strong to the upside, obviously. Come on, Q, hold it. Okay. The Q needs to hold here, if not, I'm out.
Quisiera algún deseo que me...
Oh. Got out there. Looks like it stopped me out. Like faked me out. Here. But whatever. I don't like how the Q has been way weaker than SPY. Apple keeps being very, very weak and it's dragging the market down. Maybe I should have been a little more patient here. But I don't know, I don't like how the Q is weaker than SPY. No, I'm not gonna turn off the music. If you don't like it, just go to another stream. I like trading with music. It's not distracting. In fact, I would, if it wasn't for me, I would have it even louder. Because my trading is all about waiting, so music, my walking pad makes me being more patient. It works for me. So I'm just gonna keep using music and keep walking. Taking forever. But keep holding, we keep holding, so the trade is still green, still valid. Definitely SPY is cleaner than the Q. And holding way better than the Q. It's getting super boring. So do we have a flag here? Microsoft is looking beautiful. Looking so pretty. The Q is not looking beautiful. It's not looking pretty. Nvidia, beautiful. AMD 166 rejection. That was so clean. I don't like this 30-minute candle on Nvidia, but it keeps holding. Daily and 30-minute on Microsoft looking pretty good. I also love how Meta is just consolidating and holding very good so far. SPY, we needed to keep holding this level here. CRM looks like it's rejecting 241. AMD clean 166 rejection. I'm down. Right now I'm down. I'm down with futures. Up a lot with options. But I always say this, being up or down don't matter if you're taking good setups or stupid trades. Which, what I took here with NQ, it was a little stupid. But the ES trade is very clean. I don't know, I just trade based on the trend and levels. That's it. So if I will say the ones that I trade the most are just support and resistance out of daily levels. We had the Q held that level. Now we have this little level here that I need to act as support. And yeah, SPY keeps holding. But my favorite setups are gaps. Playing gaps field. I'm gonna take profits on the Nvidia weeklies, holding for next week. because I can see maybe Nvidia wanted to go back down and retest 136, maybe. You guys don't understand how I trade. I don't take profit because something is green. I take profit based on my plan. What's my level? What I'm looking to trade? What's my entry? What's my stop loss? What I'm looking for in this trade? What I'm looking for SPY to do next. I don't take profit based on green or red. I'm okay being red. That's part of the plan. Like, if I take a trade and I know if it goes under my stop loss, I'm red, and that's it. I'm okay with that. I'm also okay with being patient and holding through red and green as long as my trade is still valid. If it goes under my stop loss, it's no longer valid and I get out, and that's it. That's what I say. Bro, you don't even know. That's what I say. P&L doesn't matter. What matters is the setup. It is working. I don't see SPY losing support. What's the plan? The plan is holding as long as SPY keeps losing support. If it is not losing my level, my support level, I have no reason to get out. And most of my trades take hours or days and weeks to play it out. This is a trade that I'm playing. Oops. No, the other way. This is a trade that I'm looking to take. Like, I'm holding because of this. If it goes under my stop loss, I get out and that's fine. But no, if it keeps holding, it's still very bullish. I don't know. Tesla is holding support very good. This trade looks like it's gonna make me walk like 10 miles. On Monday? That's a good swing. That's an awesome swing. 188, clean rejection there on Monday. AMD looks like it wants to break out of the 166 level. Microsoft is right at Tuesday low. Needs to break that level. I want to see it holding it as support. I don't want to see it reacting. But still, even if it reacts today, I think Microsoft, as long as it keeps holding 441, 442, is still pretty bullish. And it's booming right now. We got a very good entry there on that one. I still like this Q trade, and I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna keep holding my SPY ES trade, but I still like this consolidation and hold here. Look at the daily. The daily is looking pretty good. Come on, SPY move. Microsoft booming. Apple is bouncing. Why are you going lower? It's looking like today it's gonna rain again. I'm hungry. Okay, Microsoft, I see you. Keep going. You're looking cute. Keep going. Yeah, definitely fake me out here. Or whatever. It's almost 12. I think I'm gonna go around 12. I'm still gonna keep holding this one as long as it keeps holding my support, but I need to go do my breakfast, and I want to go to the gym also. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go around 12. Just put an alert here at this low and just keep and put another one at this high and just keep holding this baby. Nvidia looks like a head and shoulder, rejection of the VWAP. Let's see. See you. Come on, Meta, it's your time. It's waking up. Oh yeah, Microsoft. Go! That's a beautiful, clean move from Microsoft. Now we need a SPY. Move. Keep going, baby. Next level is morning high for Microsoft. Nvidia is not helping here. Maybe we just chop around the entire day here, who knows? Yeah, 136, I see that. I'm sorry, 138. Yeah, I see it. I see that. I see that level on Nvidia. I'm gonna take profits on the weekly's Microsoft contract. CRM has a little gap. Let's see. Is it really a gap? 1 second. Oh no. There's no gap there. The next resistance on CRM is around 244. Next big one. Back to square one. This looks like a head and shoulder on SPY. We need Nvidia to hold here. Otherwise, gonna keep dragging the market down. And if we have Nvidia and Apple dragging the market down, that is not bueno. Whoa, that's a big one. So if the SPY cannot hold this level, that's my stop loss. And my trade is not longer valid. And I need to get out of this trade. We'll see. I know. Let's see if we're gonna bounce here and go back above this little level here. Then keep holding. If this 30-minute candle closes like that, it's still very bullish. I'm gonna sell those two that I bought on that dip. Okay, you're getting annoying. Bye. So we keep holding here so far. Pretty boring price action, but we're still holding. SPY still holding same level, pretty much. Again, as long as we keep holding here, I'm still holding my trade. Yes, it can make you like nervous if it goes red. I'm fine with that. So just read what it says here. And that's how I trade. I'm okay being red. I'm not that patient, I'm so used to it to trade. Like, I've been doing this for 7 years, so I'm fine with whatever I'm holding. So I know what's my risk. I know what's my risk when I enter every single one of my trades. So we want to see this 30-minute candle holding this level here. At least I want to see a 30-minute candle holding that level. Thank you. Yeah, I don't copy anyone. Apple is bouncing. I think Apple, if it can go back above the VWAP, that will be pretty bullish. The only thing that I don't like is Nvidia. I don't like how Nvidia is being so weak. But as long as it keeps holding above 136, I think it's bullish on the longer time frames. Like, if you want to hold for next week's contract or next month, whatever. But right now, if you want to play like a day trade, it's looking pretty weak. It's 12. Let's see if it's gonna stop me out or it's gonna bounce here again. Okay. Looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see. Okay, we're bouncing. No, projecting. Yes, no. It's Nvidia. Nvidia's looking pretty weak. I'm waiting to see how these 5-minute candlestick is gonna close. It's right there. It's right. I think it's gonna stop me out because Nvidia looks pretty weak. But it's fighting. Come on, SPY, bounce. Do something. Come on, bounce. Keep holding it. Okay, I like that move on Nvidia. Microsoft holding. So we keep holding this same level here. We have these resistance, resistance. We keep holding. And we have also the Q fighting this little level here. Come on, just either stop me out or bounce because I need to pee. I need more water. Dollar is going higher. That's no bueno. Still with this little downtrend here, or flag, however we want to call it. Okay, I'm selling the 2 contracts that I bought on the dip. I want to see it going above this little level here, or the 90 MA. That would be pretty bullish. But Nvidia keeps rejecting and going lower. That is not gonna help me. Yeah, doing nothing. Playing with my patience, spy. But I'm having a very good day. Like with options, I'm feeling it. Futures, not so much. I'm red. But with options, I'm green big. Those candles are looking bearish, but again, as long as we keep holding, I'm bullish on SPY. What I'm green with options, pretty much everything. Mainly CRM is the big one. CRM swings. $136, it's Nvidia most likely gonna retest, and we need Nvidia to hold that level, 136. And we need SPY to hold this level here. Well, I need SPY to hold that level. Should I add here again? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, Nvidia today's low. We need to hold 136. Needs to hold 136. like that move. Let's sell those two that I bought on the dip. Bro, just go. I need more water. I need to go to the bathroom. But I don't want to leave with SPY looking like that. It's right at my stop loss. I'm watching Nvidia 136. If Nvidia cannot hold that, most likely SPY is gonna lose this low. CRM keeps going. Looking beautiful. Microsoft is holding very, very good. The daily candle Microsoft looking pretty bullish so far. I don't think we're gonna get much today from Microsoft, but I like how that daily candle is looking. Okay, Nvidia today's low is right at near today's low. Come on. Boom, boom. Go higher. Boom, boom. We have a little resistance here, but I want to see a SPY breaking that resistance. Hang out there. Again, so far we keep holding. $5.50 is, I think, where SPY can go. If not, 549.50, and then pre-market high. So we have one little resistance here, and then we have this one here. And right now SPY is rejecting this one here. So I want to see a SPY breaking that resistance and holding it. Goodbye, if only. Okay, so we have Nvidia bouncing out of the 136 level. I think that's another opportunity for a swing on Nvidia. Apple now is the one that is looking pretty weak. That's awesome. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Yeah, I don't know. So before we had Nvidia going lower and Apple was bouncing, looking like it wanted to go higher and retest the VWAP. Now we have Nvidia trying to hold, but Apple is looking weak. Maybe we're just gonna have a choppy day here, just bouncing around these levels here. Maybe not, who knows? Most likely we have low volume today and tomorrow because it's a short week. If we have Apple and Nvidia going lower, it's definitely gonna break SPY. I don't have key level here on the queue. The key level is today's low. Should we play another bounce here? Let's try it out. Let's see. Doesn't look like it's gonna work out this time because Nvidia. What? That was a big move. Okay, bye. Red for the day. See you guys mañana. SPY stopped me out. I'm gonna be really mad if just fake me out here. Oh yeah, Nvidia under 136, very bearish. That is not bueno. I wanna see Nvidia holding 136 on the daily time frame. So basically I want to see the daily candlestick closing holding 136. If this is a fake out and SPY keeps holding here, I might try to trade that bounce later today. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna bounce again. What? Well, but I'm done with the stream. I'm hungry. I want more water. I walked today over 6 miles. I'm sweating. See you guys mañana.